Unlocking the power of AI in early childhood education, a game changer for your kids. Imagine a classroom where every child's unique learning style is embraced, their pace is respected, and their curiosity is ignited. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's the promise of artificial intelligence in education. For parents, ensuring the best educational foundation for their kids is paramount, and AI offers an extraordinary opportunity to revolutionize learning, especially during early childhood. In today's traditional education system, meeting every child's distinct needs is a hurdle. Some children thrive, but many feel overlooked, whether they struggle to keep up, grow bored from a lack of challenge, or simply don't fit into conventional teaching molds. Teachers, with their dedication and passion, are limited by time and resources. This is where AI intervenes as a strategic tool to bridge the gap and bring learning to life for every child. Every parent wants their child to succeed in school, to fall in love with learning, and to feel confident about their abilities. However, outdated education methods often fail to meet these goals. Children learn differently. Some might absorb information visually, while others need a hands-on approach or auditory reinforcement. Unfortunately, large classrooms make personalized teaching almost impossible. Here's where artificial intelligence becomes a game changer. Picture an AI-powered learning tool that customizes lesson plans for your child. It adapts in real time to match their strengths, gently addresses their weaknesses, and ensures progress at their preferred pace. AI isn't about replacing teachers, but empowering them to focus on meaningful interactions while the technology handles the personalized grunt work. And the best part? AI methods make learning fun and engaging, presenting it as a series of games, challenges, and interactive stories. When learning feels less like work and more like an adventure, children are bound to flourish. AI-based platforms like adaptive learning apps create tailored educational journeys for children. They assess your child's abilities and pique their curiosity with lessons designed to cater directly to their level and interests. These platforms also adjust dynamically, slowing down or increasing pace based on your child's needs. Take Sarah, for example. She's a 7-year-old from California who struggled with school. Her parents had grown concerned about her slipping grades and disinterest in learning. By introducing Sarah to an AI-powered app, everything changed. The app designed engaging, personalized exercises around her unique needs. Soon, Sarah experienced a notable improvement in her grades and, more importantly, her love for learning returned. For parents, investing in these tools means helping children build confidence and finding joy in their academic journey, one challenge at a time. AI-powered storytelling apps and virtual labs dive deep into hands-on engagement to nurture a sense of wonder. Imagine your child performing virtual science experiments safely from home or immersing themselves in personalized adventures where the story changes based on their reading ability and interests. Such tools combine fun with skill building, fostering creativity while also sharpening analytical and reasoning talents. As parents, it's a relief to know that screen time is being put to good use, creating stimulating learning experiences. For parents, the highlight of AI isn't just what happens in school, it's the enhanced opportunities at home. You're no longer limited by your child's classroom setting. AI gives you the power to enrich learning anytime, anywhere. Weekend assignments can turn into projects they love. Homework becomes less stressful because lessons adapt to ensure comprehension. Ultimately, AI-fueled learning builds a bridge between a child's evolving world and parents' desire to provide them with every advantage possible. As parents, you're constantly thinking of how to prepare your kids for an ever-changing world. With AI shaping the future of education, it's only the beginning of a major transformation. The future will likely include even smarter tools such as virtual tutors, immersive learning environments for complex problem solving, and collaborative AI platforms that encourage teamwork among young learners. But perhaps the most exciting part for parents, the focus won't just be on grades but on creating confident, capable individuals with a passion for lifelong learning. Through AI, children can discover their natural talents and overcome struggles, breaking the mold of one-size-fits-all education. AI is an incredible tool, but to truly benefit, you as a parent play a crucial role. Be curious, ask questions, test out platforms, and collaborate with teachers to ensure technology complements your child's education effectively. This journey isn't about technology overshadowing the importance of human connection in classrooms. It's about using AI strategically to lift that connection to new levels. So what has been your experience with AI in education? Have you seen your child's enthusiasm for learning sparked by this technology? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep up with more explorations of artificial technology. See you in the next video.